Hey everyone, welcome back to Big Jores Affiliate Gist. Are you looking for a way to start making money online in 2025? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will be showing you 7 simple ways you can start earning online even if you don't have experience. Ensure to watch this video to the end because the last one is a secret method that many people ignore but can make you a whole lot of money. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to other people so that they can also benefit from this 7 steps that I am about to show you on this video. The number one method that we have on our list is freelancing, getting paid for your skills. Freelancing is one of the easiest way to start making money online for yourself. You can do things like writing and graphics design, video editing and programming, virtual assistance and social media management. How to start? Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork, offer simple service that you are good at, get your first few clients, then increase your price. Any potential $100 to $5,000 monthly. Yes, this means that as a freelancer, you can make at least $100 to $5,000 every single month as a freelancer. Number two proven way we have on our list is YouTube. YouTube is one of the best way to make passive income online. And guess what? You don't need to show your face. You can make videos about tech review, money making tips, health and fitness, and many more. How you can earn on YouTube? We all know that before you get monetized on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time within the past 365 days, which is within the past 1 year. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on your channel before your channel will be monetized in order for you to start making money as a YouTuber. As a YouTuber, you can make money from sponsored ads or affiliate links. This can make you at least $500 to $20,000 in a month. Yes, as a YouTuber, you can definitely make at least $500 to $20,000 in a single month as a YouTuber. The number three proven ways you can start making money online in 2025 is affiliate marketing. Yes, you've heard me right. Affiliate marketing is super easy. You promote products and earn commission. Popular programs include Amazon Associate for physical products, ClickBank for digital products. To start, pick a product that you like, share the link on social media, a blog or YouTube, earn commission every time someone buys the product. Any potential $100 to $50,000 monthly. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, you can make at least $100 to $50,000 in a single month as an affiliate marketer. The number four proven way we have on our list is selling digital products and print on demand. Another great way you can start making money online is by selling digital products or print on demand items. You can sell things like ebook, digital planners or templates, costume t-shirts, and many more. How to start? Design using Canvas. Upload on Redbubble or Teespring. Get paid every time someone buys. Any potential $100 to $10,000 monthly. Yes, if you are selling a digital product, you can make at least $100 to $10,000 every month. Number five proven ways we have on our list is remote jobs and virtual assistance. Yes, the number five method is remote job and virtual assistance. We know that many companies now hire people to work from home, and you can do things like customer services, data entry, or online tutoring. Check flex jobs on remote.co or LinkedIn. Apply for a position that best match your skills. Start earning immediately. Then positional earning is around $100 to $5,000 monthly. Yes, you can make you can make $100 to $5,000 in a single month. The number six proven ways we have on our list is crypto and stock trading. Yes, you've heard me right. Crypto and stock trading. Crypto and stocks can be very profitable if you learn in the right way. Some option includes cryptocurrency, stock market, or forex trading. From trusted sources like Investopedia, Use a safe platform like Binance or Robinhood. The number 7 proven way we have on our list is blogging. Yes, if you enjoy writing, blogging is a great way to make passive income online. You can earn through Google AdSense, affiliate link, or sponsor ads. Google AdSense is by integrating the Google ads on your blog. If you are a blogger or you have a website, you can integrate Google AdSense to display ads on your website and you will be getting paid for it. The thing you need to do as a blogger or as somebody or as someone who wants to start blogging is to know your niche. Yes, you need to know your niche, the niche that you can be consistent with. It's not like you start today and tomorrow you cannot continue again. So knowing your niche is very crucial in blogging. You can go for niche like technology, you can go for tech, finance, travel, health and fitness, and many others. So make sure to look for a kind of niche that you can be consistent with. Create a blog site by using WordPress or Bluehost. Post helpful and powerful information. Make your let your content be engaging. Yes, make sure that your content are engaging. This can earn you $500 to at least $20,000 in a single month. As a blogger, you can make up to $500 to $20,000. So there you have it, 7 ways you can start making money online in 2025. So which one are you going to try first? Tell me on the comment section, which one are you going to try first out of the 7 ways that I have talked about in this video? Which one are you going to try first? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to other people so that they can also benefit from these tips. Thank you.